Think of a music orchestra. How do they operate? How do they create their masterpieces? Their default intention is to produce outstanding music. If even a single wrong note is played, it is simply unacceptable. They are driven by a commitment to perfection, and this mindset places the orchestra in a state where nothing less than excellence is tolerated. The essence of this analogy is to recognize that somewhere else in another context, people are working with that mindset. So why not learn from them and apply their approach to software product development? There are two approaches to using Scrum: superficial Scrum and professional Scrum. To truly embrace professional Scrum, which represents the authentic and profound application of the framework, you must begin with a perfect intention, a mental state where you are willing to meet any challenge, regardless of the cost. Starting with this mindset allows you to build an elite product development factory where value is delivered fluently. The most common challenges faced by software development companies are long time to market, low quality products, and low morale in their teams. You can't simply assemble a team of expert developers and expect them to produce outstanding products. While developers focus on their specific areas, you need a mechanism to take care of the overall process, ensuring value is created and delivered fluently. It is not a one-night job, but a journey. You need to invest in your process heavily to be able to experience professional Scrum. This journey has 4 key pillars. First, perfect intention. Your team should adopt a mindset similar to that of a music orchestra, where the ultimate goal is non-negotiable customer satisfaction. This becomes the driving force behind every decision and action. Second, built-in quality. You elevate your product development process so that quality is an inherent aspect of every output. You hold each other accountable as professionals, accepting nothing less than excellence. Third, frequent delivery. Establish a smooth, continuous flow of value delivery. Transition to a point where you can release your work at any time, even multiple times a day, giving you early and often market feedback to ensure you are building the right thing. And fourth, gardener mindset. Cultivate a mindset of continuous monitoring and improvement, aiming to create a fully humanized product development environment. The result would be improved morale, increased employee loyalty, and a dynamically stable value stream pipeline. It might seem like a high expectation, but this is what professional Scrum truly demands. The key is to make a definite decision to begin your journey right now. There is no perfect moment to start. The best time is always the present, wherever you are and with whatever you have. To help you build an elite product development environment, you can use my program, Set Up Your Scrum Studio. I am Mehdi Hoseini, a certified Scrum.org trainer, PST, with over 20 years of experience in the software industry and a Scrum Master over the past 10 years. According to the law of attraction, people on the same frequency naturally attract each other. My frequency is completely aligned with the mindset of a music orchestra. If you are on the same frequency, where nothing less than greatness satisfies you and are willing to set up an exceptional product development studio, contact me. I'm waiting for you.